Hello dear fans. What is an ecosystem? The concept of ecosystem has many definitions, all of them are difficult to understand. What is hidden behind the scientific nature of the definitions, and how easy is it to understand this term? It is enough to disassemble it into its component parts and highlight the main features. Instructions. Step 1. The concept of ecosystem was introduced in 1935 by A. Tensley. This is the main concept in ecology and an elementary unit in the biosphere of the Earth. The ecosystem combines living beings and inanimate objects of nature. They necessarily coexist on the same site, and their existence is interdependent, interconnected, and determined by this area. Inside it, there is a circulation of substances, the circulation of energy received by plants from the sun, relations in it are organized and obey the laws of nature. Each system remains stable over time. This combination of living and non-living parts, stability and circulation of substances are the main features of ecosystems. Step 2. Take any ecosystem, forest, field, body of water. All of them contain producers, plants that produce nutrients using solar energy, consumers, organisms that feed on plants and other living organisms. Also in any system, there are detritus feeders, organisms that consume carrion, and decomposers, fungi and bacteria that finally destroy and decompose dead remains. Thus, members of the natural community provide a clear cycle of substances, being in the food chain. Step 3. The size of ecosystems is not determined by any geographic parameters. And this is their main difference from biogeocenosis. So, for example, in a forest ecosystem, there may be another stable community on the territory of a stream. Its size is also variable, from a drop of pond water to the ocean and the biosphere. In this ecological concept, the emphasis is on the prevailing food chains and the cycle of substances and energy, species diversity, and not on size. Step 4. Considering an ecosystem, attention is paid to its composition, the number of species, population size, their ratio, and life forms, to the distribution of species and other components in space and the relationship between them. Thanks for watching.